first glance, a moonshot appears unreachable until you sit down and decide, I am going to make this happen. One moonshot in Slides Yearbook is to create an add-on for a specific image size. As of July 2017, Google Slides does not have add-ons, but this is a moonshot. Until then, we're going to need to use image size templates. Let me show you how. Go to SlidesYearbook.com and look for image size. Then scroll down and click on Folder with Image Size Templates. Notice that there is an arrow after the folder's name. Click on it and click on Add to my drive. Now click on it again and this time Get Shareable Link. Copy this link. Go into your Google Classroom. Notice that we already have an assignment created. We can just edit it. Click on the jelly beans and click on Edit. Select the link and paste the hyperlink. When student graphic designer Adriana goes into her slide yearbook, she will notice that a new folder has been added. In order to use these image templates, student graphic designer Adriana must click on this folder. The folder has now been added to her Shared with Me. Now Adriana has this blank page. Before we add those image templates, let's go ahead and add a background. Select Background, Image, Search, type Free Backgrounds. Select the background of your choice, select Done. Now we are ready for the image templates. When Adriana opens this Slides, she will see an example of each of the ratios and how they look. This is a 16:9, 3:2, 4:3, and so on. These pages show the different choices. Experience says that the 2-inch is the best choice. Adriana will click on Insert, Image, Google Drive, Shared with Me. She will notice that there is a folder called Photo Size, and Adriana is going to look for the 2-inch. Of course, Adriana can use the arrow keys to move the pictures over. Insert, Image. Notice that when I move this, there is a red line. This helps me understand when they are centered. Arrow keys will help me recenter. Now that student graphic designer Adriana has her layout, she will want to add text boxes with some opacity so that the design stays in the background, yet the text can be read. How did she do this? She clicked on Insert, Shape, Shapes, and she selected Rounded Rectangle. Click and drag, making sure that those red lines at the bottom and on the right-hand side line up. Now that's not the color she wants, so we're going to change the pencil to a white, and we are going to change the solid to a white. Click on the arrow again and go to Custom. There are 2 arrows. Move the one on the right to change the opacity. As Adriana creates her other pages, here is a tool that will help her. Notice that Adriana has set out 4 portrait sizes. Unfortunately, these don't look right. She will confirm that her left and her right margins are exactly where she wants them to be, and then she selects. Go to Arrange, select Distribute horizontally. When Adriana completes the student portrait page, she will want to make sure that the top portrait is where she wants it to be, and the bottom text box. And then one by one, she's going to select the column, distribute vertically. Select the column, distribute vertically. Adriana will think carefully about her design. This includes font pair choices. She will talk to her team. She will talk to her student editor, and together they will come up with the best ideas. And then I have one favor to ask you. This moonshot project could not exist without you. Either the teacher or the student. Go to Share. Get a shareable link and then share it with the rest of us. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact me at SlidesYearbook.com.